Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Choba, a political science instructor, and my goal here is to guide students on their studies. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so without further ado, then let's start! So we are already done discussing the other forms of globalization, the embodied globalization, the disembodied globalization, and the agency extended globalization. So now let's talk about object extended globalization. And that is one of the forms of globalization. So ano kaya ang ibig sabihin yan? At ano kaya ang difference ng agency extended globalization sa object extended globalization? Okay, so you have a guess? Please write it down on the comment section. So let's start discussing what is it. So sabi niya dito, an object extended globalization, it refers to the mobility of goods, commodities, and other objects of or exchange such as machinery, money, and food items. So yan. Sa pag sinasabi daw, object extended globalization, nakikita natin dito ang pag-exchange or pag-transfer ng mga produkto mismo. So, dito na natin makikita yung export and import of products. So, yung mga produkto mo dito sa Baguio City, you transport it to Manila. Okay? So, that is because of globalization. That is because of transportation. Okay? So, yun ang object extended globalization. So, nakikita natin mismo sa mga produkto na ibebenta or na ipapalit sa ibang lugar or pumapasok at lumalabas sa ibang lugar. So, yung mga laptop, yung mga brand ng sapatos, Adidas na galing sa ibang bansa na pumapasok sa Pilipinas, yan ay globalization mismo at ang tawag natin dyan ay object extended globalization. So, ano sa tingin nyo ang pagkakaiba ng agency extended globalization at object extended globalization? So, alam ko na nagets ninyo, kaya isulat nyo na sa comment section. Alright? So, I hope that you're able to grasp information again from this tutorial. And if you need to clarify more, please don't hesitate to write them down on the comment section. And if you have any more question, isulat nyo na din. Okay? So, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay? So, goodbye everyone!